When Liquid Brune was released by French Avenue, I did love the OG. Then they released limited edition and said it was a stronger version of the original. So I just have to get it when Dubai Shop Baliwag just put it up for sale. So yeah, I got one. So if you want to get one, just go to Dubai Shop Baliwag. Now guys, I'm sorry, I already opened it out of excitement. So when you open this huge box, you get this fragrance. And look at how tall it is, probably versus the OG that it is this small. So yeah, it's bigger, 150 ml, way more juice. And I think for the money that you're gonna pay for this, I think that's quite worth it. To me, just get this one if you never had Liquid Brune, but you do want the Liquid Brune. This is brighter, more wearable. This doesn't have that mentholic smell on the opening. It is less gourmandy and less creamier. So to me, this smells smoother as well as easier to wear versus the OG. To my nose, that's what it is coming across. And I think I prefer this one. So I think if you have an interest for Liquid Brune, just get this one. But if you already have the Liquid Brune OG, just use that first and then get this one after. Like this is for me a superior cousin to Liquid Brune. If you want the creamier, sweeter experience, more gourmandy experience, then yeah, get the Liquid Brune OG. But to me, this one is a better version of that to my nose. So I will make a follow-up review for this fragrance, that's for sure, for longevity and everything. But for me, I will just rest it a little bit first and then give a review to you guys. So see you guys on that video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.